Hear me, I said I'm a Nigeria boy representing for King Mix-Up, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know how we do. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But you know my style, one bagga, and no one. I gotta continue getting these daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end. And with that being said, okay, people, I just want to start off with that story, because, you know, we dropped it late last night. You know, a lady came out and said, you know, 3 people put paws on her, you know, when she confronted her baby daddy at his ends when he was in another, you know, in a bed with another woman. You see me, I say. And, you know, he just stood there while, you know, they, you know, put the paws on her and, you know, her youth that's growing inside. You see me, I say. The girl in question, you know, the side chick, has come out and denied all claims from the lady. Yes, in fact, she said that she was the, you know, the perpetrator. You see me, I said, so I tell the last side of the story, and let's listen to what she had to say, and then we'll proceed.
Why not send requests? No sense.
Because if you take that and run.
Guys, I want to know, do you put sugar in your dumplings?
A bit of
Obviously, y'all can read. Y'all can read.
Why they would arrest one? Why they would
Y'all
arrest
can
a
read.
pregnant woman?
Y'all need to stop thinking with and typing with emotions. Y'all can read. This person clearly said that the police arrested her. The case was closed. And that's that. Like there's nothing to talk about.
Yeah.
If we were as bad as if we did anything that she said we did, we would be where we were. We would be like,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
First of all, oh my God. Alkaline said, "No believe everything you wanna see in the media." Like,
I think Alkaline live on your life.
Nah, bro, like,
so this whole facade, like, we're not entertaining it at all. So,
the bagga, you don't make no sense.
The bagga, yeah, like.
With the media, the police don't second it already. They get charged. They get.
If you have sense, and this time I hate social, I hate to know. Have sense. Read what she write. Read what she type herself. Read what she type herself. Read who have the slice on them belly, and who. Read who have whatever cut or whatever they say anybody cut them, and read who get locked up. If you have the injuries, who bring the knife? Who bring the pepper spray? You realize what she say? Who bring knife? Who bring pepper spray?
Nobody pepper.
Why you come with pepper spray? Nobody not touch this girl. This girl come with a motive and a plan, and that's what she executed. And no, manipulation is real. So I guess at the belly she use manipulate people. Well, manipulate y'all, cause.
And they didn't even know say I made it. The big for the girl, you know, and I said Jesus.
Manipulation is real. That's all I have to say.
Okay,
and of course, y'all are gonna be like, "Oh, she's pregnant." Da, 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 da. We know. Like, this is living proof that females are crazy. Like. So like the bagger texting, like, me not even open on the message, start text on a delusional. Like, stop the texting, the cyberbullying. It don't work right here. Y'all go read that paragraph that she posted. Read everything that she posted. And read with common sense. If you come to your baby father, why you come with pepper spray? Why you come with a knife? You're not invited there. You don't know his guests or whatever. You don't know people from nowhere. We don't even live there. But you pepper spray everybody that's in the house. And then you come to social media now because the police and the judge see the whole facade where they try to create and was not having it. So now you come to the weak-minded people on social media like be fucking for real. And what you left court with? A lot of restraining orders and charges. For what?
Because I'm military anything.
Military are not fear. So if nobody do wrong, we don't get locked up. So we had to walk free. I don't even know handcuff no go on me.
The police talk to his same like how them talk to she. Talk to his same like how them talk to she. And as she get locked up. Why? Using her head. Up until now, we don't see this girl. This girl come in. Literally. She could have come in with a gun.
With a gun, because she come in with knife.
She come in with knife. She could have acid. She throw up her way. Pepper spray.
See that.
And everybody who were involved in the situation, not entertaining this bullshit. Because we all have proof. We all have everything that prove what she come do. So like,
the black them just want some
at the end of the day, the blacks them are gonna be the blacks. Them are gonna run with anything.
When you just not think, gonna use in the egg brown, when I have sense. Read what I say.
If I did good news, my promise on it wouldn't reach on the pages them. But because of bad news now.
You get arrested. Justice was served.
You realize what she saying there's something?
Justice was served.
She said the police them lock she up because you trespass and you come, you assault, you pepper spray, you go on with your bag of things, you do this, that, the other, and the third.
I strip naked, you know, your pepper spray deal with me, you know.
Pepper spray, my best friend, pepper spray, brother, your baby father. If you come for pepper spray your baby father, you know pepper spray your baby father, you pepper spray every out of the house. You're the bulldog bullbuck and duppy kangaroo in the place. All them pull you outside. How did you reach there? You know you're not invited there, so you make them drop you at the gate and you walk come in.
You're crazy, bro. That's crazy.
This definitely crazy. On my life, this girl literally walked in, pepper sprayed everybody. Nobody no say nothing to her.
We don't need to get no internet statement.
So people are called with people from y'all don't even know the half of this.
Exactly. Yeah.
So
but people know how the baby mother thing goes. Some don't know why they might behave like that. Everybody know baby mother thing.
Oh no, I mean because them comment are funny.
When I do bro, like what?
The girl been called on the phone. This is from last week, you know. Called on the phone. She been a call we.
He's not her man. What?
Girl a call, you know. We ignore this girl. We don't know this girl. Okay. Where they call we for? We don't know you.
Put in your thing.
Right now I'm hungry. I'm gonna go make some food. Jelly, send back a request.
This is no sense. Everybody will know me is not that type of person. And me is not that. I'm not that type of girl. But only know say me a decent somebody.
Nobody never sliced this girl's stomach. I'm gonna start believe everything wanna see on the media.
Everybody knows say me a decent somebody.
The police them find her out, so she have to come up with something else.
Exactly. Justice was served. Justice was served.
The girl got court this morning. Justice was served. She have to come up with something else.
Nobody not pay attention to the fact that she go there with a knife and pepper spray. Everybody is focused on the fact that she get hurt.
Can nobody not expect if it no go pop off? As soon as we sit down and eat, if we didn't expect to see if it pop off, all the things are.
No, we don't get no warrant or nothing to go to court, because when the police come to we and talk to we and wrote down everything that we said and wrote down everything what she said, we swear makes sense. When you read with common sense, read what she posts. She said she come in enough to talk to her baby father and was about to leave. Leave where? I'll know that girl not turn around to leave. She come in, say, what is this? Pull out her pepper spray. Pepper spray everybody like. And she's done this before, so.
Then you know that.
No, nothing. So I'm just continue to talk. Why are we going to court? There's no warrant for us to go to court. Nothing. Nothing. What we have restraining order against her that were signed off on because she is a danger to people.
And now she went on to talk for like 20 more minutes and, basically dissecting what, to be, wrote detail in the story and all of this stuff. But it looked like she was having trouble reading. People was trying to call her, what. But yeah, I did the favors for on the last night. But like I said, I deleted the video off of the channel and uploaded over my dancehall story channel. So go over there so to see, the other girl's side of the story. Yeah, there's two sides of the story. Well, actually, a couple. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm not going to long on this no longer. Just giving a quick update on the situation. If you want to see the, unedited video, pictures of, the girl in the hospital and thing, go over to my entertainment website, mixupandthings.com. Everything is there for now. You see me, I said, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I do drop the latest. Bliss. Oh, before I forget, Shenseea is coming under fire for being promoted in one of those newspapers. I can't remember the name. But when I check the comment section, the people that were saying them tired of Shenseea forwarding and saying, this emotional thing when she goes back to Dream Weekend. Because, she was about a girl and all of these things. But what else is she supposed to do? You know what I mean? You see me, I said certain things trigger the memories. And, at that time, she was in a bad space trying to make ends meet. And she's still young and probably can't believe she made it this far so fast. You see me, I said. And when everybody come home to them home country, them always feel a different type of energy. You know what I mean? Also, I see them making fun of her in this interview she did when she said she have all the links them to collaborate with people, but them said nothing hit. I will continue more on my Boom Bye Bye TV channel, so I'll meet y'all over there in a little bit. Bless.